Hello, how can I help you today?
Yes, you can. I am very mad. A tree jumped out and hit my car last weekend and the ambulance brought me here to this hospital. I had a very expensive necklace that my grandmother wore on the Titanic. I had to swim to the bottom of the ocean to get it. Now you people lost it.
Really? What did your necklace that you had to swim to the bottom of the ocean look like?
It looked very expensive is what it looked like. Now I want you to pay for it.
Whenever a person is brought into the hospital and they have personal belongings, we have two people verify which the person has with them. We then put the valuables in a sealed bag with the contents written on the outside. I will call for yours. I will need to see picture identification.
Well, I want my weed too. You know I have a medical marijuana card that says I can have it.
We are not a licensed distributor of marijuana, so we gave it to the nice policeman who took your legal blood level. You can pick it up at the police station if you bring your card.
I bet the police took my card. I cannot find that either. I am sure you do not have my necklace that I swam to the bottom of the ocean to get. I want my money.
Oh, here it is. This is your little necklace with the pink flip-flop on it. That is the only possession you came in with except that marijuana. I hope you have a nice day. For those of you in orientation, it is very important that you document exactly what the patient has, including color and appearance, verified by two people, especially money.